Zumba is another box here. Let's see what's inside this one. Open it up. Cuatro manos, cojan. ¿Qué te trajían allí?
Looks like a Fender.
Yes. Ooh, you got the front fender carbon fiber, brother. Ooh, look at that beauty. Ooh. So to remove these, only 4 screws, 2 here, 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. Let's start with this. Oof. It's kind of heavy compared to the other one. You look better like that, right?
Racing style, baby.
Right, let's go. This is the OG, and this is the carbon fiber we're gonna put on. The weight is crazy. It's way heavy. Look how beautiful, how small too. It's gonna be sexy. Let's put it on. For now, I'm gonna try. Just wanna put it there. Llévame la lleva, ¿sabes? Sentar lo que se dice. No, utilizar. Va. Bro, look how sexy my bike looking now, bro. And tomorrow we're gonna try to put the new engine guards and the rear guards. So stay tuned. Thank you for follow us. Get our reviews by Najee and David. Zumba.